I would like to introduce Dr. Soundarya Rajesh, our founder president, Avatar Group, a renowned social entrepreneur. Dr. Soundarya established Avatar in 2000 as India's inaugural initiative dedicated to bolstering women's workforce participation. Over the ensuing 24 years, Avatar has left an indelible mark, shaping the employment landscape for countless women and emerging as a premier workplace culture consulting firm. Advising over 700 organizations, Avatar has played a pivotal role in advancing gender inclusion and has significantly contributed to national data on women's labor force participation through extensive research efforts. Dr. Soundarya's leadership has cemented her reputation as a torchbearer for women in the Indian workplace. She tirelessly advocates for the recognition of women's contributions to organizations and underscores the critical role of gender inclusion in India's broader economic prosperity. Her notable achievements have garnered widespread acclaim, earning her accolades such as the Ministry of Women and Child Development's Top 100 Women Achiever Award and Twitter's Web Wonder Women Award. Additionally, her pioneering work in facilitating second careers for Indian women and her intentional career pathing training program have empowered countless women to re-enter and excel in the workforce. Dr. Soundarya's best-selling book, The 99-Day Diversity Challenge, stands as a seminal work in experiential inclusion, reflecting her dedication to fostering positive change in workplace dynamics. Her second book, Conversations with the Career Doctor, within 2 weeks of release, had received praise from CEOs and MDs of several Fortune 500 companies and is poised to become a game changer in influencing women's careers. So over to Dr. Soundarya for her welcome address.
Hey everyone, a big warm welcome to the 7th edition of the My Avatar Job Fair for Women. I'm super stoked to see so many of you here. Each one of you ready to take charge of your careers and truly make a mark on this world. Very proud of you. You've taken that very important step, first step today. I'm going to begin this short welcome address by first thanking all our amazing partners who have made today possible. Let me begin with our co-presenter, Bosch, session sponsors, Coforge and Kenvue, associate sponsor, T-Tech, supporting sponsors, Amararaja, Techion, Kone, ideology partners, Capco Technologies, a Wipro company, eClerx, Ericsson, India Shelter, Schwingstetter, Springer Nature, Ultratech Cement Limited. And our educational institutional partner is DG Vaishnav College, Chennai. Thank you so much to all our sponsors, our ideology partners, and the institutional partner for simply just for standing by us, for making sure that your perspective, your vision of a better India, a Viksit Bharat, translates into reality by making sure that many, many thousands of women get jobs and are set on an amazing career path. Thank you to each one of you. My dear ladies, I must first of all say that focusing on your career no longer is a nice to have. It's an absolutely essential thing for every one of us, no matter what our age might be. You could be a young graduate just out of college, or you could be a senior woman professional about to touch retirement. Whatever be the age or stage, a career is very, very crucial for each one of us. And the current days have only made it that much more imperative that each one of us pursue a career path with absolute focus and a deep sense of intentionality. So today, what I want to share with you is it's not just about opportunities. It is really about rewiring the way you think about your career and actually creating that ideal career, which involves a bunch of things for each of us. For some of us, it could be upskilling. For some of us, it could be work-life integration. For some of us, it could be integrating caregiving with, our jobs, and coming up with that perfect final version of how you wish your career to be. And today is the first step for that. I mean, let's be brutally honest over here. Today, the world of AI and automation is really gunning for many, many jobs that humans have been doing. Yeah. And that means it is imperative for each one of us to really take a good, hard look at our career and see what is it that we need to do differently to make sure that we stay relevant, employable, and have a successful, sustainable career. And that's the most critical thing. I'm very, very aware that many of us from the younger generation, Gen Zs amongst all of us here, and the millennial women, I know that you are not just bending yourselves to create a new reality, you are the reality. You are rewriting the rules. We learn so much from all of you. We learn so much from the younger generation. And I say we, I'm talking about people from my generation. But I also remember that when I was young, when I was of your age, it was tough for me too. And I had to take that, everything changing break, that break which completely, disrupts your identity, your daily routine, the way you lead life, the way you spend money, all of that, the break kind of simply, changes. And for me to return to the workplace meant that I had to look for an opportunity which ticked all the boxes. And at that time, in the mid-90s, late 90s, such organizations didn't exist. So, my dear ladies, I'm thrilled for you because today you have organizations like everyone that I just mentioned who are here to offer you career opportunities, to make sure that they tell you that your work and your experience and your skill sets are important to them. They are there today for you, which was not the case in my, when I took a break. And many of us, the Avatar team, many of us took those breaks, and today we all are back. We are back with a bang. We are back, making sure that our numbers are counted and that our skills are put to really good use. So, which is why this career fair, this job fair for women, it's very crucial. Because it's not simply a job fair, ladies. It's a movement. You begin to normalize things. Career breaks, normal. Career pivots, normal. Success on your own terms, normal. All of these things to become normalized and for you to really live life on your own terms, that's what this job fair is all about. So I'm rooting for you. I'm hoping that you land that job of your choice today. And I want you to truly be unstoppable. Use this job fair, this network as your launch pad. Go about the virtual platform, explore, network, ask questions, negotiate, and make sure that your worth is truly demonstrated to anybody who interacts with you. Now, let me make a request to all our hiring partners. Dear partners, it's because of you that we are here today, that Avatar has put up this 7th edition of the virtual job fair for women. And I'm going to make a big request of you. I'm going to say that the best talent isn't just the one with a perfect resume, the so-called perfect resume, the so-called regular resume. I think you will agree with me that the best candidate for the job is she who has the drive, the ideas, the perspectives, and relentless intentionality. Won't you agree? So I'm going to request you, please hire for potential, not just the past track record. Please hire for skills and don't mind the gap. Don't mind the career gap. And despite whatever is going on in the world around us, inclusion is the greatest alchemy of all. Inclusion is magic. Inclusion is the silver bullet for many, many workplace challenges. So it is crucial that we create this culture which is full of inclusion, full of empathy, full of consideration for the other individual. And when you begin hiring at the MyAvatar job fair for women, you make that bold step towards embracing change. So, that's broadly what I wanted to share with all of you today. To the amazing women, go ahead and own your narrative. To the great, fabulous hiring partners, just make sure that you get the best talent out there without any other labels. Invest in the development of these amazing women. And I tell you, from my experience, they will not let you down. They will make sure that the trust that you repose in them is paid back many, many fold. So, my dear women, dear recruiters, partner organizations, and my dear team Avatar, let's all work together in this 25th year of Avatar's existence to create an India, a Viksit Bharat, where every woman has the opportunity to reach her fullest potential. That's why it is your career, your way. And the future for that career starts now. Welcome once again to the MyAvatar Job Fair for Women 7th edition, and let's make it legendary.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Soundarya, for your warm welcome, for your encouraging words as we kickstart our day.